Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd Nest. In this video we'll discuss about how to create the water effect in the 3DSMAX. That is, first we have to take one box. So segments will be 1, 1, 1 and convert it to editable poly, and using polygon select any one face, select its top face and right click, give here insert. By insert we can take a thickness for a wall, and means side walls. Okay, then again right click, extrude. Here we need to take -12 because we need open area for water. Okay, so that is one blank area, then here I want water effect. For that use plane, and increase the segment of this plane, and here this plane it is at a downward portion. Increase it, place it to top portion, means how much you want to show water level. There we can fix the plane. So I'll take some default color, that is sky blue. Now I need to change it for the water effects. For that use modifier. First I'll show you 3 different modifiers here. First one is wave effect. In wave we can change the amplitudes, 1, amplitude 2, and wavelength. Here we need to decrease the wavelength. See, we can adjust it. So it will take only one direction waves. This is one method to indicate the water. Then another method, that is we can use here ripple option. This is, by ripple modifier you will get waves in the form of circular. In circular portion you will get the waves. See, like this we can adjust it. And third one is noise. So we got now wave and ripple. Now last one is a noise. By noise, here it will take some natural effect, that is activate the fractal option. Then here increase the X, Y, Z, all 3 options, up to you will get the exact effect. Until that you can change the dimensions of X, Y, Z. Now you are getting this. So see, we can see somewhat natural effect here. Still, if you want to change, then you can adjust it. This is how we can create the water effects with different modifiers. And you can use here animation also, activate animate noise, and here you will get the play animation option. We can play the animation for water effect. So here it is taking 2 speed, so to increase the speed, decrease the speed, here change the frequency. By this it may get somewhat slow. This is about water effect. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.